This is Doug Smith. I'm broker owner of DHS Realty, and I'm going to do a quick short video on MLS. We all need to know that this is the website for MLS. I have that on my phone saved as a home screen, matrix.netrus.net. When you log in, what we're going to do is a quick little informative video on how to interpret an MLS printout. So first, got to get familiar with this tab right here, search. This is for houses, this is for lots and acreage, and this is for residential leases. That doesn't include apartments. Just remember on leases that on apartments, you want the client to always sign you in either on the phone or in person on their first conversation or their first face-to-face. So let's just do a home search. We'll hover over search, go residential quick. In the left-hand corner, you should have only active marked. If you want, you can mark single family down at the bottom. And then over here, you just start putting in your criteria. A buyer wants to look 0 to 600. They want to look in Frisco. Right now in Frisco under 600, 0 to 600 with the master down, there's 44 homes. Let's say they wanted 2010 and newer. Okay, that's 14. At this stage, we know that we hit results, save new auto email. So if I hit results, I'm going to get a single line. I'm going to hit results, save, new auto email. When I hit new auto email, that gets me to this screen. If I scroll to the bottom, if I hit save, I just email the properties. First, I have to put in a name and a subject line. And then all you do is hit save and you just email the properties. Going back one screen to the single properties. Anytime you have a property, if you click on the MLS number, this is going to be an agent full report. And I just want to cover this tab real quick, or this page real quick. Number one, this is called the agent full report. At the top, underneath the address, you have listing, tax, photos, history, parcel map, flood map. If you hit tax, it goes to the tax roll. If you hit photos, it goes to photos. If you hit history, it takes you to the history of the property since basically 2003. If you hit parcel map, you've got a parcel map. And floodplain, it'll show you the flood maps. So pretty cool. Going back to listing, this is what will always be showing when you click on the MLS number. Right below here, obviously, in our company, we feel like when you write an offer, you should print the full report and the tax roll. Okay, and that's just by clicking tax. When you're on the listing, this is obviously the MLS number, okay, right there. The N right here means it's a new listing. Active, that's what you should be sending to clients. If you click on this, it tells you the map of the property. You can zero in and see if the backyard faces due west. So you can see here that on this property, it's got a front entrance. Okay, it's on Gulf Breeze. That means the backyard. This is west because this is north. So that backyard faces due west. Probably not the best in my opinion, but you know, at least you make yourself verbally known that you're not a big fan of backyards facing due west. But that is west. It always will be. Moving forward to the right, you have the city, you have the zip code, the price. Okay, you scroll down. This first section here, you're going to have the subdivision, okay? You're going to have the county. You're going to have the lot. You're going to have the block, okay? The legal description right there. Right underneath there, it says it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1 living, 1 dining, 1 story, no fireplace, no security system. Right below there, you see square footage, 1492, the tax roll right there. Says it's 2016. Says there's a mandatory HOA, and you can see it's $405 quarterly. That means times 4. If you scroll down, you've got the school district, Little Elm, Hackberry, Lowell, Strike, Little Elm are the schools. And then you scroll down and you have, you know, this information here is going to be your property description. It's always good to look at public driving directions. There's going to be private remarks. Down here, this information basically is the agent information. So it's going to have BAC stands for buyer agent commission. You're going to get 3%. 0 days on market. Here's the broker, Keller Williams. There's the broker address that goes on the broker page in the contract. Betty McKeon, she's the listing agent. There's a second listing agent, Trish. It's got their phone number. Over here, it's got to the left of the agents, it's got their license number. To the far right, this is broker license number. So that 049 is the broker license number for Keller Williams. Janice Moore, right here, it shows that that is the supervisor. That's the supervisor's license number. That's the supervisor's phone number. So again, all this information is needed for the broker page. It's got the preferred title company in this market, with homes being on the market 0 days, and there's just not that many homes on the market. I'd go ahead and try to use the title company that is the preferred title company. This tells you how to make appointments at the bottom. Okay. Showing time, that's their phone number. Put it in your phone, 817-858-0055. Showing time, centralized showing time, centralized showing time. They're synonyms, they're the same company. They also have an app called Showing Time. But again, at the end of the day, that's how you read an MLS printout. Okay, y'all be safe. And that pretty much concludes the training for tonight.